Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the volume button on your Apple TV remote, okay? So it's this button right over here. Now, this problem happened to me where the volume was no longer working on my Apple TV remote. And the way that I actually fix this is that I went onto my Apple TV and then I clicked on the settings tab here. So click on settings. And then from here, you want to scroll down to where it says remotes and devices. So click on remotes and devices. And then from here, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says volume control. Okay, so click on volume control. And then from here, you can set it to auto, HDMI, or TV via IR. So you might have to play around with this. The setting that worked for me was setting it to auto. And so what actually happened was that this was actually turned off. And so I wasn't able to control my volume using my Apple TV remote. So if you set it to auto, you should be able to control the volume on your Apple TV remote. One thing to note is that on my TV, even though if I press the volume, I don't see like a signal indicator showing if I'm increasing or decreasing the volume. However, the volume does change, okay? So that's a really important piece of note to keep in mind. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way to fix the volume button on Apple TV remote. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.